During this age, he needs good friends, parents to act as friends to their children. This is social change comes in the adolescence age. Now the next is the problems of adolescence. There are many problems and there are solutions also. The first of all we'll see the problems which are suffering from teenager. Number one is aggressive and violent behavior. Adolescents has aggressive behavior and often become violent very fast. As you know, children, so this is due to age. They easily become irritated and repulsive when work is not of their interest. If the work is not in their favor, if they are not taking interest in that, they become aggressive and violent. Overconfident and high mistake. Teenagers are often overconfident. They feel that whatever they are thinking, whatever they are doing, only that is good. They hide their mistake and try to befool others through their intelligence. Next is friends given importance. In this age, the parents, teacher, if they are saying something for their development, they don't listen. Sometimes they don't listen and they are more interested towards what friends are saying. The next is waste of time. Teenager often waste time in useless things like gossiping, talking, watching television, listening music, idea setting, all these things. Next is defected toward drug and smoking. Teenagers are very affected and very fast. See, they should accompany those children which are not good for the society, for the parents, for the others also. If the parents have seen the boy involving such type of society, if we stop, if we guide, and sometime they overreact it also. So in these problems very technically need to understand. The second is wrong sexual desire. Due to wrong sexual desire in teenager, they sometimes commit wrong sexual relationship and attain them by wrong means like rape, going to prostitutes, teenage pregnancy, etc. The next is lack of concentration. Teen have low concentration in studies. Sometimes they lose interest if their result is not satisfactory. Neglect family. Teenager often neglect families because they are more interested towards their friends. The next is lavish expense. They waste their money on useless things like makeup goods, costly clothes, etc. Beauty conscious teenagers in the age are more conscious about body, figure, structure, and shape. Attraction towards opposite sex, this I already explained. Adequate rest and sleep. During this age, teenagers often have sleepless night and they are usually thinking and thinking, so that they are suffering insomnia also. See, so these were the problems of teenagers. So if the problems are there, and also there is solution, how to management of adolescence problems. The way to tackle their problems, the number one is proper knowledge of adolescent psychology. Parents and teachers, they must know about the psychology of the child, so that they behave accordingly and understand their problems and give the proper solution. Providing a healthy environment. The atmosphere at home and school should be cheerful, playful, and healthy, so that the teenager feel comfortable and express their words, express their emotions properly. Sex education. As you know, teenager in this age, the sex difference brings prominent changes. We should know all these things and guide them properly, so that they are not suffer with any problems. Correction and checking of mistake. At this age, the teens must be given somewhat liberty to take independent decision. Let them take decision, and automatically if their decision is wrong and they feel it, and then listen to the others, so that there is chances to convert their mind. Proper use of time. Teenager have lots of energy and need good program to channelize it in a proper way. See, the next is mode of education. The education must be interesting way, so that they may explore their inner capabilities. The next is moral values. The moral values are very very important for developing their moral character. They must be properly taught about their culture, traditions, customs, and follow them sincerely. As you know, children, sometime if we go for the picnic in another state like Kerala, Gujarat, Himachal, and any other state, if we do not give respect their culture, their language, and it is not good for us. So the moral values are very very important. So if we give moral values, naturally they behave accordingly. So we should think about these values and execute in our life. The second is spiritual guidance. In this stage, sometimes children show less interest in spiritual ideas. They must be guided properly about their religion and the secular ideas. So, children, now we have already covered our first chapter, and next time we will see the few questions, very short answer type questions. It is 20 to 30 words that I will dictate you, I will tell you, and matchups also. Then the questions which is 50 to 60 words, that you can check at the back and write accordingly. And same the case of long answer type questions, 100 to 120 words, all the material is there at the back. If you need my help, I dictate you. Thank you children. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.